Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss some more important short questions of ethics and values for semester 1. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु, वीडियोटी भल लगिले लाइक करंतु एवं समस्त सहित शेयर करंतु। आसंतु आरंभ करिबा आजिर वीडियोटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Mention any factor that bring gender inequality in society. तार अर्थ एमिति किछि कारण बा फैक्टर जहाँकि समाज रे लिंगगत असमानता सृष्टि करुछि। आंसर इज people do not realize the contribution of a woman towards society and lack of sensitivity among the students towards women. Question number 2. Write down a desirable gender related value from your study on issues related to women. Answer is desirable gender related values are gender justice, gender equality, dignity of women, social and economic inclusion of women, developing respect for women. Question number 3. What is prenatal sex selection? ए क्वेश्चन अर्थ हेउची जन्म पूर्वरु लिंग निरूपण करिबा माने कोन? आंसर इज डिटेक्शन ऑफ fetus before birth in mother's womb. It is due to some misbeliefs that some parents invariably have shown preference. Daughters are treated as liabilities and sons are treated as assets. This thinking leads parents for prenatal sex selection, that is, the detection of female fetus and kill it in the mother's womb. Question number 4. How does prenatal sex selection affect women? यार अर्थ होची किभଳି ଭାବରେ जन्म पूर्वरु लिंग निरूपण नारी मानक उपरे प्रभाव पकाउछि। आंसर इज द डिटेक्शन ऑफ फीमेल fetus leads parent to kill it in the mother's womb. This results a declining sex ratio in the society. Question number 5. Define the concept of pariah dhan. Answer is daughters are considered as pariah dhan, that is, property belonging to others. झियो जन्म पर घरक. Daughters are treated as liabilities and sons are looked upon as assets. एबे भी अनेक परिवार रे झियो मानकु बोझ बोली भाबुछंती एवं पुओ मानकु संपत्ति बोली भाबुछंती. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Mention the districts of Odisha that have low female sex ratio. Female sex ratio means number of females per 1000 male. ता माने प्रति 1000 पुरुष रे केते जण महिला अछंती. In the state of Odisha, in Noyagad district it is 916, in Khordha district it is 925, in Anugul district it is 942, and in Dhenkanal district it is 947. So this is very low female sex ratio in some of the districts of Odisha. Question number 7. What is PCPNDT? कन्या भ्रूण हत्या को रोकिया पाई सरकार द्वारा ये गोटे नियमावली. आंसर इज प्री कन्सेप्शन एंड प्री नाटाल डायग्नोस्टिक टेक्निक्स एक्ट 1994 is an act of the Parliament of India enacted to stop female feticides and arrest the declining sex ratio in India. The act banned prenatal sex determination. The main purpose of the act is to prevent the sex selective abortion. Question number 8. Which right of a girl is violated when we kill her as fetus in the mother's womb? Answer is right to life. A girl has the right to life once she is conceived as a fetus in the mother's womb. We have no right to kill her. Question number 9. Mention a gender bias you see in your family. Answer is sons and daughters are treated unequally. Sons are regarded as more valuable than daughters. The need of a son is given priority over that of a daughter. Gender discrimination in education. Unrecognized domestic work of a woman. Question number 10. What lesson does the divine story indicate to you? Answer is girls are integral part of our society and society cannot survive without them. A girl's life is as precious as a boy. We should make the world a better place for both boys and girls and ensure the survival of mankind. We have no right to kill a girl child, which amounts to a heinous crime.